Hi friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is all about some last minute, quick, thoughtful, easy to put together gifts that you can give friends, hostesses, teachers, pretty much anyone this holiday season. So stay tuned. So this is about the time of year where you really start to remember, I feel like at least, the folks that you either really just forgot to get a gift for, or you're getting invited to parties and you really want to thank the people that are hosting the party, but you're not quite sure what to take. Or you are stumped at what to get your kid's teacher. So I wanted to give you a few different ideas of ways you can put some items together, DIY if you will, and really have some solid gifts that you can give out this holiday season that you know people are going to love. I also wanted to let you know that in this video I'll be using some supplies from BurlapFabriccom. They recently reached out to me and asked if they could send me some DIY supplies and have me showcase them in a video. So I took a look around their website and I was really impressed with the selection that they had, and I really want to make sure that I'm sharing things with you guys on this channel that I use, that I like, that I would recommend, because even if they send me all the craft supplies in the world, if they're not good quality, I don't want to share them with you guys because that's just silly. Looking on their website, I was thoroughly blown away. I thought they were just going to have burlap fabric and ribbon, but they had a ton more items. They had different bags, they had totes, and so what I really did is grab some of those unique items so that I could use them in today's video, things that you probably wouldn't think of right off the bat when you think of burlap. So my first idea for you for gifts are ornaments. These make great hostess gifts, especially if those people just moved into their house. How cute would it be to grab a picture of them at their house, throw it in a little frame. This guy came from Target. Or think of the person's favorite movie. This is a elf ornament that I got from Five Below for just $5. So it's a really cute and thoughtful way to bring a gift to a party, something that probably nobody else is going to bring to the host or hostess, and it's a really cute way for them to kind of remember that party. Also for teachers, ornaments are a great idea, but a few things to keep in mind. A lot of times your teachers aren't really going to want to keep a picture with just your child's face on it, but think outside the box. Maybe it is a ornament that has a picture of the whole class, or maybe it's an ornament because you know that they have a black lab like I do, and you get them an ornament that's a black lab, or you know that they really like the Chicago Blackhawks, or they really like a sports team. You can get them something that's really personalized and shows that you know a little bit about them, but it's not your traditional candle or box of chocolates that they're typically going to get. So ornaments are a great way to think outside the box for friends, family, hostess gifts, and teachers. And with ornaments, it's truly the thought that counts. I know that's a cliche saying, but it really gives you the opportunity to show that you understand that person that you're giving the gift to and you went the extra mile to put some thought in. Up next are a twist on a traditional gift, which are bottles of wine. But what I did is I took these really cute wine burlap bags from BurlapFabriccom, and this one I customized with my Cricut, and this one I customized without. Let me show you how I did this one without the Cricut first.
I grabbed this buffalo plaid dish towel at Walmart in a 2-pack, and then the wine bag is from BurlapFabriccom. I will link it down below. So I put the bottle of wine into the bag, and then I used the towel to personalize the bag and make it look festive. I topped it off with some Dollar Tree ribbon that says "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And that was it. It was super simple. I love this bag because you can use and reuse. It doesn't have to be Christmas all the time. And it also makes the bag of wine look very festive.
And now for the one that I made with my Cricut.
Now for this project, I'm using heat transfer vinyl from Expressions Vinyl. And the biggest tip you want to remember here is that you're going to put the shiny side down. I know it seems counterintuitive, but shiny side down. And then you're also going to want to make sure that you click that mirror button on Cricut Design Space. I don't have a silhouette, so I'm not sure where that button is. But once you do that and you cut it out and weed it, everything is going to be backwards. But then what you're going to be able to do is put the design on the bag and it will transfer. That top is like a carrier sheet or a protective sheet. You're going to want to make sure that any little white bits are pulled out of there, because if not, it's going to stick to the bag. And then I just had my iron on high and I used firm pressure to apply it to the bag. It was so simple. I love this red color and the white just pops off of it. This will be saved as a PNG on my Whiskey and Wit Pinterest board, so check that out. Then I just went ahead and added a bottle of wine and some candy cane striped ribbon that's wired, that is from Hobby Lobby. Finished off the ends and that was it.
You're looking for blanks to customize, BurlapFabriccom has a ton of options. Definitely check out, especially if you're doing like a wedding. They've got really cute bags for hangover kits for bachelorette parties. So I will definitely be looking there when my brother and his fiance get married. What I also love about these is they are things that people are going to use. The dish towel is something that when you're having a party, you can never have too many of. And this bag could also be decor on their shelf. So there's a lot of different options of ways that they can use this. And obviously, who doesn't like getting wine? This next item takes no time really to throw together at all, and all of these items you could find at the Dollar Tree. Mine came from different spots. This oven mitt and the little spatula came from Walmart, and then the Snickerdoodle mix came from just our local store, Julasco. But you can just throw the bag of pre-mixed cookie dough in there with a spatula. These things are great for every single occasion. I love my spatulas. I have so many. And then tie a little ribbon around there. You can also add an ornament or a tag if you want to. So many people get in the Christmas spirit and they really want cookies, but they don't have anything to make them, or they don't want to go from scratch. So this is a really cute idea for a quick gift that somebody can consume, and then they are adding a ton of stuff to their home as well, which I really like. While we're on the topic of consumables, the Dollar Tree has these really adorable tins in a lot of different sizes. I've been to the store this week and they still have a lot of options, so they haven't been totally picked over. Grab some of these, line them with wax paper, and throw in either some homemade things, or go to the store, grab some different chocolates, and you can kind of combine them in there and kind of fake homemade type deal. A lot of people have a sweet tooth around the holidays, so it's really nice to be able to give them a gift that can satisfy that. And then also it's consumable, so once they're done with that, it's not something that's taking up anything in their house, and it's really simple for you to throw together and gift to someone. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know my love of Grove Collaborative. And so I have really been telling everyone I know about it and how I love their products. So what I wanted to do is figure out a way that I could put together some cute gift sets so I could give some of the products to my friends so they could try them first before they decide to purchase them. So I put together this really cute Hostess set, but this would be great for a teacher. It's probably something different than what they get. Also, with these natural cleaning products, it would be nice to have them in their classroom, so then that way they could wipe off some desks and stuff and they don't have to go too crazy with like the Clorox wipes, and it will also make the room smell good. So I took this hand towel from Walmart, which is part of the set that I got with the Buffalo Check Deer one. I put a multi-surface cleaner, a dish soap, and a hand soap all in here. You can get all of these from Grove. They also have a really great starter deal, so if you're interested in checking it out, if you place your first order, you get 5 free items, which include like a caddy, some Mrs. Meyer's stuff. So if you're interested in just trying it for yourself, you can use the link below, but also it's a great way to get some gifts for free, and they ship pretty fast. It's a really cute gift to hand to the hostess as you walk into a party with all the red and white, and also it's consumable again, so it's not something that's really going to take up room in their house once they use it, but you can get them hooked on some of these natural cleaning products that are better for their home and better for their environment. And then my final gift idea is this non-traditional tote bag that I used my Cricut to personalize. Now, I love this bag. As you can see, it's a very large bag, and it's got little handles here, so you can hook this up. You can use it for a ton of different things after the holidays. I put "It's the most wonderful time of the year" on mine, but you could do somebody's last name, a monogram, different saying. You could go for more of a farmhouse vibe if that's how their house is decorated. This you could use for so many different things, to corral dog toys, kid toys. I love that the basket is something that they can fold up and it can lay flat so it doesn't take up a ton of room, but then they can bring it out and use it as needed.
So I started with the collapsible burlap tote that I got from BurlapFabriccom, and I went through the same process that I did with the wine bottle. So I made sure to put the shiny side down on my heat transfer vinyl, and then I cut it on my Cricut, went through and weeded it, and then I went over and used my iron. I will also put this file on my Whiskey and Whit Resources Pinterest board that I will link down below. I like to push down for 10 to 15 seconds each time firmly, so then that way I make sure everything sticks. This would be great for a lot of different things. I keep going back to weddings, but they have so many cool things you could personalize for weddings. I will definitely be ordering blanks from them for different gifts because they have such a great selection.
You could grab some acrylic paint and some stencils from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and you could create your own monogram or last name on the front for the gift if you don't have a vinyl cutter to personalize this bag. but I love that a lot of these items are really gonna help that person zen out, have some me time, especially in this day and age when everybody's running around. They have so many things going on, such a crazy time. Really nice to just give them the permission to enjoy some me time and to really unwind. So that is everything for this hostess, teacher, friend, all of the people in your life gift guide. Please leave a comment down below. What was your favorite thing that you saw in this video? And also I will link the products that I used from BurlapFabriccom down in the comments. A huge thank you to them for sending me the supplies. You guys know how much I love DIYing, and I was so excited to explore and figure out different ways that I could use their products. So thanks again to them. I hope you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to create a gift for somebody in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe down below because I've got more videos coming your way, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I usually shut the door when I'm filming, and this guy is just like, aren't you? Can you say hi to the people? Say hi. No? Oh, kisses.